Today I am going to unbox the new Carbon Titanium Match 5. That's the new device from Carbon that's available on Amazon.in for 6,000 rupees. So main specification of this device is it has got a air remote control, so that it has got a air blaster, 16 GB internal memory plus a 2 GB RAM. Here's the specification that it has got a 5-inch HD display, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor from MediaTek, and 2200 mAh battery, Android 5.0 Lollipop pre-installed, and 8 MP rear camera and 5 MP front camera. It has got some specifications like video trimming, and it has got a 16 GB ROM and 2 GB RAM. As I said, it has got G sensors, proximity sensor and light sensor, and the memory can be expandable, so it can expand up to 32 GB. It has got 3G support, and it is dual SIM, no 4G support here. So that's a con of this device, and it has got GPS support as well. And main features of this device, it has got air remote control. So let's unbox it. First, peel off this cover. That's the cover. That's the box. So first of all, peel off this. This is the mobile. So this is the device itself, and let's see it. This is the design. It has got a texture finish, and let's check what other accessories available with this device. This is IMEI number, nothing. This is the warranty card. This is the 2200 mAh battery by Carbon, and this is the user manual, and you will get an additional screen protector that you can use, and you will get micro USB to USB port, USB to micro USB data cable, and you will get a charger. The charger looks good, very good in fact. This is the charger, and let's find what's the output of the charger. So the output is 1000 mAh, so it's 1 ampere charger, so it's not a fast charger at all. And this is the headphone. So headphone looks very good. This is the in-ear type headphone. It has got a flat cable as well, but headphone looks very good, and you will get some buttons for calls, and this is what I don't know, but this is the headphone itself. So now quickly go to the device. So this is the device. So let's put the battery in first. So this is the battery, and you will get this is the micro SD card slot. This is the SIM slot. This is the second SIM slot, and this is the micro SD card slot. So that's it. Now while powering it on, let's quickly talk about the device. So the device has got a 8 megapixel rear camera with a LED flash. This is not a dual LED flash, and it has got a very good texture finish. It will grip in your hand very easily. And this is the charging port, and here you will get this is the volume rocker, and it is the power button. It is the headphone 3.5 mm headphone jack. This is the air blaster that's placed here, and you will get a LED flash for front facing camera as well. You will get a 5 megapixel front camera. These are the sensors, proximity sensor and other sensors, and this is the fast boot animation of this device. It has got a 5-inch 720p display, and the buttons are capacitive buttons. This is the home button, this is the back button, and this is the multitasking button. So that's the overview of the device. The device is not in the slimmest side, but the device feels good in your hand. It's not very big, it's not very small, and that feels good. Device actually looks good, and the weight of the device is not so much, and not so light, not so heavy. So that's it. Now wait for the boot up. So this is the speaker of this mobile, and this is the noise cancellation mic. Nothing else on this device. Sorry, this is the main mic. No noise cancellation mic here. So this is the main mic. So let's quickly set up the device. English. Setting up straight now. Insert SIM card. So the setup is completed and the phone is ready to use. So this is the phone. Sorry, welcome. So this is the first looking field of the device, and the device looks fluid. Sorry, let's check this about phone. Go to about phone and check the Android version. So it is Lollipop. No problem. The device feels good in the hand, and the viewing angles are very good. Even from every angle you can see that the viewing angles are great. The device looks very good because of this 5-inch IPS display, and it has got that extra Feel Smart remote application that is even that you can control your TV, setup box and ACs like other stuff with this mobile. So, and you will get some gestures. So I'll be testing these gestures, and please wait for the full review. The full review will come up soon, and you will get Amazon Shopping India apps that is pre-installed. You get Swift key keyboard that is pre-installed on this device, and you got some also other stuffs, Mintra, 7, like Red Bus, like apps on this device pre-installed. So I don't know this can be uninstalled or not, but these apps are pre-installed on this device. So now quickly take a look at the camera performance. So this is the camera UI looks like. So let's take a picture with the camera. So the camera came out to be good here. It got very much details. Look at that, it has got very details. And so my first initial thought is that the camera, it has got a good camera. I'll be testing it out while my full review. It has got this kind of camera UI, and the picture size is 8 megapixel. Now quickly take a look at the front camera. So this is the front camera. It has got a 5 megapixel front camera. So let's take a picture here. So the front camera does take good capture good images, and the images came out to be noisy a little bit. So I'll be testing this front camera also. So please check out my full review. So this is the first overview of this device. So let's quickly check out the storage of this device. So out of 16 GB you will get a 12.40 GB out of the box, and you will say that it has got available on 11.72 GB, and you can mount an SD card. Don't know it will support a OTG cable or not. It is not. I will be testing also this, and you will get some multi-gesture setting. I will be testing this also, and you will set quick lock settings or something. And one more thing, I will be showing you the free RAM on this device. So it has got a 2 GB RAM. So let's see it how much RAM is available for free. Out of the box you will get a 1.4 GB of RAM free. So that's very good stuff, and that's very good. It's only 400 or 500 MB as used, so that's very good for this mobile. So I'll be checking the device for 2 or 3 days, then the full review will come out. So thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.